guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. So today we've got a returning customer in his 2010 Timberland Destiny. It's not a brand I've heard of before, but there are so many makes, models and variants out there. It's on a Fiat Ducato base, and a few weeks ago we fitted the Alpine or an Alpine head unit for him, and it's the INE W720 navigation system. When we went to fit a reversing camera, we suddenly were sort of forced to a halt because of the fact that he's got a rear bathroom area, which meant that we couldn't get access to the back of the high-level brake light, so we had to go back to the drawing board. But it doesn't matter, because that's the reason why we don't have a magic wand. We went back to our various suppliers, looked at the options on offer, and we've now given him a beautiful solution. So join me around the back of the van and we'll show you what we've done. So normally I'm stood here with a high-level brake light that we've removed and then we throw in the bin, but on this particular vehicle, the reason why we struggled a little bit was because of the fact that we can't get access to the back or inside there because of the bathroom. So what we've done is we've utilised the existing factory high-level brake light, but put a surround on top of it to bring the high-level brake light away from the vehicle, and the surround encapsulates the reversing camera. Now the reversing camera, as you'll see, is on a little tiny gimbal, which means that you can move it up and down, left and right. It's got a couple of little night vision LEDs on there. How good they are, proof's in the pudding, we don't know. But this was a find a solution and make sure it's going to do the job type situation, which is now what we've done. Martin and I have actually agreed that this is quite a nice, neat looking solution to the problem. And what he's done is no different to anything else. He's run the cabling down to the bottom, through, along the bottom of the van in Copex or split tubing, and then back up into the vehicle and connected to the Alpine system, so that when he puts it into reverse, camera display appears on the radio. But also with all of our cameras, you don't have to just put it into reverse gear. You can just press the camera button or the dedicated camera button on the screen, and that will show you the image. So this is purely reversing camera solution for all of you vehicles out there that may have a rear bathroom set up and you're unable to gain access to the back of your factory level or factory high level brake lights. So we have then got a solution for you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to jump in the front and show you on the screen. Right, so hopefully it's not too dark here in our workshop. It is a bit of an overcast day, but we've also got our LED lights on. I'm just going to put it into reverse, and at the same time, I'm also going to reverse out of our workshop into daylight. So let's just make sure the handbrake's off. And as we reverse out like so. Now, remember with all high level brake lights, you're going to get a slight image distortion because of the fact that it's quite high up and then looking down on the floor itself. Now in terms of the camera, yes, it is adjustable, but you can see in the image itself you've got the doors and a bit of the bumper, or the actually more importantly the tow bar, and then you can just take the vehicle out of reverse like so. You can go back to the main menu and you've got your own dedicated camera button. So you can press like so and you've got your image. So this is a high level brake light camera solution in a vehicle that's got a rear bathroom. We've had to find a solution. This is the solution, and now the customer's got a nice clear reversing camera image on his 2010 Timberland Destiny motorhome. Website links in the bio. If you've got a vehicle like this or we're unsure what to do, who to speak to, come and see us. Thank you for watching and have a good day.